With its compact form, credible snapper and relatively affordable price point, last year's Bebop 2 ticked a lot of the boxes for the rookie pilot looking to step up from bedroom mini drone to something a bit meatier. The Bebop 2 Power available from this month for US $599 takes that formula and builds on it. Thanks to the 2 included battery packs, flight time is now up to an hour, and the addition of hand-throw takeoff makes it even easier to get the compact drone airborne. The new cameraman feature uses AI to take better photos and videos, allowing you to concentrate on the flying, while shooting modes such as Epic and Rise let you unleash your inner Spielberg. Read next. Parrot's Mumbo FPV flies in to teach your drone racing. Throw in Parrot's cockpit glasses 2 for immersive FPV flight, and you might just be looking at your next, or indeed first drone.